Hello and good morning and welcome to another Bunch of My Days vlog. I am sporting this extremely jolly look because this is how I've just woken up today and I was in no mood to change or anything like that. But it's been such a while since I've done a Bunch of My Days vlogs क्योंकि मैं travel कर रही थी, but I really miss doing Bunch of My Days vlog. So which is why I'm going to be vlogging this entire week, and this happens to be a mash of a bunch of my days of this week. A lot of things would be happening in this week, so I thought कि ये perfect time होगा to be vlogging about it starting today, because we are going to be going to get some tattoos. And I say tattoos because we're not getting one, we're not getting two, we're getting 4 tattoos, and it's quite a big deal for me because I am kind of daring to do this in one day, which I haven't before. So this would be so I've got 3 tattoos already, but this would be my fourth, 5th, 6th and 7th tattoo. Tattoos, if you know, are pretty addictive. You get one, then you want to keep getting more and more and more. But I've been meaning to get these for quite some time now. बस मौका मिल नहीं रहा था, time मिल नहीं रहा था. And with me, it's always like that कि मैं किसी चीज़ को, when I want something, I just suddenly make that decision कि okay, today I have to get it done, and then I just go get it done. So that's what's been happening with this as well. Since the past week, I've been planning the design and the fonts and stuff like that, and then now finally we've come to an agreement. Spoke with my tattoo artist about it, discussed with him, and now we've narrowed down on something. So yeah, today we will be going together. I'm pretty nervous actually. I've been trying to distract myself all morning so that मुझे याद ना रहे, because it's I'm just getting very very anxious. I'm getting super anxious about this. I've been just thinking about the pain because my pain threshold is like 0, so I've been thinking about that all morning. But ठीक है, we'll get through it together. We will be vlogging the entire experience, but for now I am just sitting down finishing off some edit का काम था, but also replying to some amazing beautiful comments on YouTube from all you amazing people. काफ़ी सारे प्यारे comments है, so I'm just replying to those comments, replying to some comments on my reels as well that I have received. So this is my comment replying time. Also feeling really nice this morning. कभी आपके साथ होता है, you just wake up a morning and you're like, wow, आज तो कितना अच्छा दिन है. I literally woke up dancing. Like I just put my earphones on and I've been dancing since I woke up. I have no idea why. Like I literally have no specific reason to be happy today, but just one of those days. Anyway, so just going to be finishing off some work, taking a shower, getting ready, and then I will see you guys once I'm ready and we are ready to hit out the door and go get those tats done. See you guys in some time.
Few moments later.
Right, so I am ready to go get these tattoos. I'm super excited, super anxious, but also super excited for it. काफ़ी टाइम से चाहिए थे ये टैटूज मुझे, तो या लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू इट. माई मॉम इज़ गोइंग टू बी कमिंग विद मी जस्ट फॉर मॉरल सपोर्ट. मैंने जब मेरा ये वाला टैटू भी करवाया था, शी हैड कम विद मी एंड आई रियली आस्क्ड हर इफ शी वुड जॉइन अलोंग एंड शी वाज हैप्पी टू कम अलोंग विद मी. सो शी इज़ जस्ट गोइंग टू बी कमिंग ओवर हियर एंड पिकिंग मी फ्रॉम माई बिल्डिंग, एंड फिर हम जाएंगे. जस्ट अ लिटिल आउटफिट ऑफ द डे. Yeah, I'm sure you guys can't see it because it's really dark out here, but anyway, I'll see you guys in a bit. Has arrived. My brother is coming to drop me, I guess, and my mother's here as well, so let's go. What's up? Hi. And I've reached. This is where we will be going. And here it is, we are done with tattoo number 1 successfully. This is Sunny, by the way, if you haven't met him. This is Sunny, the tattoo artist. Yeah, this is Sunny, the tattoo artist who has done the tattoo. And he's a friend's brother who's done this tattoo, and he was super easy on my hand. Thanks, Sunny. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा डर के आई थी that it's going to hurt a lot because one of my tattoos which I have on my back has hurt in the past, so I was really scared, but this happened. You know, this also having somebody do the tattoo really quick is a relief because वो फटाफट हो जाता है, पता नहीं चलता इतना. तो done with 1, 3 more to go. दिल्ली अभी दूर है.
अपने घर जाना है. मुझे घर जाना है.
All my pain and agony has ended. इस वाले को कुछ ज़्यादा पेन नहीं हुआ था क्योंकि यहाँ पे मतलब ज़्यादा फ्लैश है. But these guys hurt very badly. The fingers hurt a lot. But he did it really quickly, so at least that is a relief. Like I said earlier, कि फटाफट हो जाए तो it didn't feel much. But if you guys are looking out to get tattoos done, he's based in Pandipli. He had a shop because of COVID. He had to shut the shop, but he's doing tattoos very actively at his home. So if you guys are interested, please do come over here. And I would highly recommend कि आप आओ क्योंकि जो tattoo artist होता है उसके हाथ पे बहुत depend करता है the level of pain and the level of expertise that a person has. So it's great that you come to somebody that you can trust, and if I trust him, I am vouching for him and telling you guys that you can. This is coming from somebody who has like a 0 pain threshold. All his details in the description, his number, his name, and where to come, and so on and so forth.
And by the way, if you come through Chinal, I'll give you a 30% flat off on any tattoos.
That's great. So good. So you want a 30% flat off?
You just have to say Chinal 30 and you'll get the discount.
Chinal 30 is all you have to say. Tattoos have been done and have been covered. I feel so victorious after these finger tattoos, and I vouch to never do this again to myself. It was very painful. I just gone to the medical to go get this cream which I was suggested कि I have to be using this for the next 10 days. Good morning, it's a new day and a new beginning. कल आने के बाद I was finishing off some work on my laptop. So today on the agenda, on today's to-do, we have one more thing. We're going to go get our nails done. We have an appointment at 11 AM and it's 10 now. So I've got to go take a shower, get ready and just rush. So I will see you guys once we are ready and we are ready to hit out the door. So see you in some time. Right, so I've managed to get ready quickly in like 10 minutes. I need to leave ASAP because 11 बजे की appointment है and it's already 10:45. So I will see you guys once we get out. On the way मुझे अभी एक Uber book करनी है, so I'm just going to quickly do that and then I will see you guys in some time. So we are covering up my tattoos with cling foil क्योंकि ये कल ही करवाया है और इसको हील होने को अभी काफ़ी टाइम है, तो just for safety reasons, ताकि इस पर कुछ उड़े नहीं या कुछ हो नहीं.
Few moments later.
Hello and good morning. My camera is finally retrieved. My god, the past 2 days have been a horror in my life. It's been the worst 2 days of my life. I lost my camera in an auto rickshaw because of my own mistake. I forgot it in the auto rickshaw and I even retrieved it. So long story cut short, here's exactly what happened. Alright, so basically the clips that you all just saw, I went and got my nails done. वो शूट करने के बाद जब मैं ऑटो में बैठी वहाँ से निकली तो मैं रास्ते पे आई वाज जस्ट शूटिंग द रूट वाइल आई वाज कमिंग बैक होम एंड व्हेन आई रीच माय होम आई रियलाइज कि मेरा घर आ चुका है. तो मैंने कैमरा जस्ट ऑफ किया एंड आई जस्ट केप्ट इट इन दी ऑटो इटसेल्फ राइट नेक्स्ट टू मी बिकॉज मुझे दोनों हाथों से पैसे निकालने थे फ्रॉम माई वॉलेट. सो आई केप्ट इट ऑन द सीट नेक्स्ट टू मी. आई टुक आउट द मनी. आई डिडंट हैव चेंज, सो वी वर जस्ट द ऑटो ड्राइवर एंड आई वाज जस्ट कन्वर्सिंग अबाउट the whole change, not having change situation, and we were arguing about how I don't have the change and he had to look for it and whatever. इस सब के बीच में मैं completely भूल गई कि मैंने कैमरा सीट पे बाजू में रखा है. I just quickly just got the money, gave him the money, whatever, and I got off the auto and I just left to go into a medical store because मुझे इन टैटूज पे लगाने के लिए डेटॉल खरीदना था जो मेरे घर पे अपेरेंटली था नहीं. So when I was buying the Dettol, I just realized कि ये मुझे shoot करना है because I wanted to tell you guys that I'm buying a few things. I was buying those silicone gloves, I was buying Dettol, etc. And I wanted to tell you guys about that. I realized 1 minute, where is my camera? Because मैं vlog करने के लिए camera निकालने गई and I was like 1 second, my cameras are missing. And this happened like in a span of 2 minutes of getting down. And I ran back, but the auto guy had left by then. There were a few other auto drivers जो वहाँ पे खड़े थे और they were, they understood that I had come looking for the auto. So उन्होंने सामने से पूछा कि क्या आप अपना ऑटो ढूंढ रहे हो? I said yes, and they were like वो तो निकल गया. So in a span of 2 minutes, this guy just left, and I had no way to track him because I had not booked an Ola और Uber auto. ये normal वाला ऑटो था. अब मैंने quickly मेरे वो सैलून के बाहर से जो ऑटो अवेलेबल था, I just sat in that and I just left. एंड अगर ओला या तो फिर ऊबर होता तो ऑब्वियसली उसका गाड़ी का नंबर मेरे पास होता, उसका खुद का नंबर भी मेरे पास होता है. वो भी वेरी इजी टू ट्रैक. बट अब नॉर्मल ऑटो को कैसे ट्रैक किया जाए? सो दैट हैपेंड and then after that, yeah, I just came home and I burst into tears and oh my god, literally the past 48 hours I've only been crying like non-stop. I haven't eaten, I haven't drunk anything because I was so sad. मेरा कैमरा just मैंने अभी खरीदा था and हो गया. Also I didn't have previous footage, but उस दिन का जो when I had got the nails done and उसका footage was in this, etc. So I was really worried. But I decided to anyway give it a try. From my end, I decided to go to the police station. I went to the police station of the area जहाँ पे ऑटो ने मुझे ड्रॉप किया था, जहाँ से basically the camera got lost, which was in Borivali. So we went to the Borivali police station and they were not at all helpful. In fact, even to come attend us, they took like 20 minutes and they were just like randomly sitting, doing nothing at all. They did not seem helpful at all. They were, they even claimed things like, so basically हम पुलिस स्टेशन में इसलिए गई थी कि उनसे सीसीटीवी कैमरा का फुटेज में निकाल सकूं ताकि उस ऑटो का नंबर निकाले. एक बार नंबर मिल गया then it's easy to obviously track down from the RTO or anything like that. But these guys were just hands down not ready to open the CCTV footage. जैसे नहीं, आपके जो एरिया आप डिस्क्राइब कर रहे हो उस बिल्डिंग के आसपास तो कोई कैमरे है ही नहीं हमारे. somebody even claimed कि फुटपाथ जो उस एरिया का है वो हमारे अंडर आता है, रास्ते नहीं आते, which was really just pathetic. I mean, I was so pissed off with them. And then they said that we can't help you, so you need to go to the other police station in Borivali. So there are 2. You need to go there and you need to figure it out. So we went to the other police station और वहाँ पे कहा कि नहीं आप जहाँ से आए हो वहीं पे they are supposed to show you because that area doesn't fall under us. So all of this confusion happened. We did back and forth from both these police stations like I think 3 or 4 times, and then I was really frustrated. So we came back home with obviously no help at all. And after I came back home, I decided कि चलो जहाँ पे उतरे थे वहाँ का फुटेज ना सही, जहाँ से मैंने ऑटो किया है शायद वहाँ का फुटेज भी मिल जाए तो it would be helpful. So this auto I had boarded from Kandivali. So we went to the Kandivali police station, and these guys were super helpful. they उन्होंने FIR सबसे पहले तो FIR लिखवाया, got all the details of the entire incident, क्या हुआ, what time I boarded the auto, etc. And I knew the exact timestamp, what time I boarded the auto, because I had messaged someone at that time, and also I knew when I got off because I called my mom to cry on the phone telling her कि मेरा कैमरा चोरी हो चुका है. But yeah, so I knew the exact time frame. So we sat down in their CCTV room and we tracked the footage in like 5 minutes. When we put the exact timestamp, we could find, and what are the odds, the camera was exactly right above the salon जहाँ पे मैं गई थी. So it was very easy to kind of find me in that timestamp. We could clearly see me boarding the auto and all of that. And then we got the auto ka number. Once we got his auto number, the police was really helpful. They just put it in their app and they got all his details, his phone number, his address, his union number, all of that. So we tracked this guy down, and this guy kept taking us for a ride for another 2 days. He just kept denying initially, saying कि नहीं मेरे पास तो ऐसा कुछ है ही नहीं, किसी ने कुछ छोड़ा नहीं, etc. And then the police really started putting more pressure on them. But one thing is very commendable, I would want to say, is that the Mumbai police was really helpful on this front, especially the Kandivali branch police, not all of them really, because they were thoroughly in touch with me. So the police the officer who was investigating in this case, the investigation officer, was really helpful. He kept calling and messaging me all the time to kind of tell me कि क्या हो रहा है, what's going on, etc. And he kept assuring me that I will get your camera no matter what. So yeah, he apparently then called the guy at the police station, said if you don't come, we come to your house and we take you, so you might as well come. This guy came again, he kept denying. They put him in the lockup, they beat him up, they did their thing to kind of retrieve it, and this guy got scared and said, okay, I have it, I will get it. He quickly went and got it. And I just get a call from this officer saying he actually messaged me, WhatsApp me, saying your camera job is done. And the minute I read that message, I jumped up and I called him, and he said कि हाँ मिल चुका है, this guy is in the lockup, do you want to meet him? I said no, I don't want to meet him. And I couldn't think of anything else other than the camera. And I asked him, is it intact, is it fine, kuch bhi? He's like, no, it seems pretty okay to me, you can come whenever and you can collect him. So yeah, after that just ran to the police station, went, got my camera. We got a few clips there actually with the officers as well, isi camera mein, when we got the camera, which will be inserted right here in 3, 2, 1. Finally, we are going to the police station now because जैसे मैंने कहा पुलिस का कॉल आया था that he has been able to retrieve it. And अब जाके मेरी सांस में सांस आई है, so I'm super excited. Let's see, though I am just waiting to actually hold it in my hand to see what condition it is. I'm just hoping that it is intact, जैसा था वैसे का वैसे ही है. Rushing and going, पूजा just करके खत्म हुई है तो change भी नहीं किया है, not bothered for anything, just running to the police station right now to go and get the camera. Let's hope it's fine, let's hope it's okay. तो कैमरा फाइनली मिल चुका है, और घर जाने से पहले यहीं पे मैं कैमरा ओपन करके चेक कर रही थी, तो सोचा यहीं पे आपसे एक बार बात कर लूं, और इन्होंने हमारा कैमरा ढूंढ के दिया है. थैंक यू सो मच कैमरा ढूंढने के लिए.
जरूर वेलकम कभी भी.
आई वुड लव टू थैंक मुंबई पुलिस, स्पेशली द कांदिवली ब्रांच, जिन्होंने ये कैमरा रिट्रीव करने के लिए बहुत सारी मेहनत की है, क्योंकि 2 दिन से मेरी हालत तो बहुत ज़्यादा ख़राब थी. बट इफ इट वाजंट फॉर देम तो शायद मुझे ना मिलता. सो थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू सो मच. फाइनली मेरा कैमरा मिल चुका है. You guys have no idea how happy I am. The battery is going to die, but everything is intact. जैसा था, the body is fine, all the footage is in there. I'm just so happy. बस police station से निकल रहे अभी. I'm so grateful. I just can't wait to take it back home. Let's go. So it's a new fresh day, and it's a very exciting day because we're going to go and meet some people today. You will know who these people are in some time, and मैं इसलिए बोल रही हूँ क्योंकि you guys already know all of these people. So yeah, I will tell you जब हम वहाँ जाएंगे, आप खुद ही देख लेना हम किससे मिलने जा रहे हैं. super excited. फिलहाल कुछ पार्सल आया हुआ है, तो just gonna be cracking open these parcels. By the way, this is from Eva Young. In case you guys are not aware about this brand, it's a very cute outfit brand for women. I'm sorry guys, but it's for women. It's called as Eva Young, and this is my second association with them. They've sent me quite a few outfits even before, and you guys have all loved it. There are pictures on Instagram, so you've seen it, but they've come up with these super cute crop tops which have these very unique prints on them. So I had to get my hands on them, so they were sweet enough to send those to me.
Much later.
Alright, so I am ready and just booked an Uber. उसके लिए बस रुकी हुई हूँ. एक बार गाड़ी आ जाए तो I will be leaving. Also this is such a scare. अब मुझे किसी भी ओला, उबर या किसी भी ऑटो में बैठने में बहुत ही ज़्यादा डर लग रहा है. जस्ट द फियर, बिकॉज अभी मेरा कैमरा खोकर मेरे हाथ में वापस आया है. बट एनी वे, जस्ट वेटिंग फॉर द कार एंड या आई विल सी यू गाइज ऑन द वे. आउटफिट ऑफ द डे, मैंने एक्चुअली कुछ और पहना था ऑन द टॉप एंड आई पुट अ स्टोरी एंड स्टफ एंड देन आई वाज जस्ट नॉट फीलिंग दैट कंफर्टेबल. So comfort over anything, which is why I just jumped into a sweatshirt and my sweatpants and boots, of course. Cool. Alright, so मैं बिल्डिंग में तो पहुंच चुकी हूँ and I'm super excited. I just can't contain my excitement क्योंकि मैं इन लोगों को I'm meeting them after like what seems like ages. Literally, I haven't seen these guys' faces. You'll know who I'm talking about in just a minute. Ex-CT Natasha, ex-CT Udit, जो छुप रहा है शर्मा रहा है, ex-CT
But to be honest,
Neelam.
we're not ex. People already know us. People still do know us. Like people still do ask. Like जीनल सिटी के साथ है कि नहीं, नताशा सिटी के साथ है कि नहीं, नीलम भी अभी भी कितने सारे सिटी वीडियोस में है, कृष्णा तो भी अभी भी कितने सारे सिटी वीडियोस में है, मरियम ऑल्सो, कृतिका ऑल्सो.
Natasha, wow! ना किसी मौके का केक काटा जा रहा है because we've just met.
No, not square, triangle.
Triangle only, but
Just cut a piece that we all get.
It won't be enough. It will be enough.
Cut a piece that we all get.
Yeah, cut a
okay,
piece that
1,
we all
2,
get.
3, 4, 5.
He's just cut.
हेलो एंड गुड मॉर्निंग. कल बहुत ज़्यादा मज़ा आया सबसे मिलके, एक्स कर्ली टेल्स टीम से मिलके. Today I actually have a shoot. I have a brand shoot, so I'm going to be taking you guys behind the scenes of the shoot. बड़ा shoot नहीं है. It is a brand shoot, but it is just for Instagram. It's a small shoot. A couple of photo shoots have to be done and a few reels have to be shot. So because ये बहुत ही time taking और बहुत ही ज़्यादा, मतलब बहुत बड़ा शूट, बड़ा प्रोडक्शन शूट नहीं है, which is why I'm taking you guys behind the scenes because I think I will be able to manage shooting with you guys here, the BTS, as well as actually shooting the content. So let's see. अगर मैं कर पाई, मुझे उस तरह का टाइम मिला, तो then we will go behind the scenes of how usually a small shoot does look from my POV. But meanwhile I've just gotten ready. बस मैं ready हो रही हूँ. I have to leave for the shoot in another 5ish minutes. I guess I'm already late, but I have to leave in another 5ish minutes. So just gonna go get ready in a whiz and then I will see you guys जब हम नीचे उतरते हैं. Teshan is going to come with me because the shoot is very close to my house, just like 10 minutes from my house. So he's going to come to help me with a couple of shots that I need help with. But yeah, I will see you guys once we get down. So we're going to be shooting at Apsara Ice Creams today.
पानी पूरी कौन खाता है?
क्या कौन हमें ठंडी पानी पूरी
पानी पूरी ठंडी ही होती है।
हाँ वो वाला कौन है ये वाला हाँ ये वाला पहले हम फील करते हैं क्योंकि ये मेटल ये स्टार्टिंग
Life of an influencer. Can I just taste it?
No, I'm just making it look proper. I'm designing the ice cream.
This is so bad. No, please don't do that.
I'm just like making. Okay, ठीक है, we have to take static also with this. So let's take one minute on your चल जल्दी come. Dude, you know today after like so many days, I feel like I'm back in curly days. I'm getting such curly days feelings today because ऐसे ही we used to go to restaurants and shoot for brands. Reliving my old days. All the leftover food goes here.
New way to eat.
What are you doing? You're eating all my shoot ka ice cream.
So I'm just थोड़ा जुगाड़.
Oh, guys, that's pani puri ice cream, which tastes very much like pani puri. Oh, ये क्या है? चाट मसाला. चाट मसाला भी है.
Perfect.
चाट मसाला और पूरी and that is pani puri flavor.
Let me just try.
शूट मेरा है बट ये सर जी सैंपल करके बता रहे हैं हाउ द
This is what you do.
I don't do that.
Really good. Trust me.
The flavor didn't sit with me only. It's pani.
So it grows on you.
Yeah, it actually, yeah, that's true. It grows on
It
you.
won't just like hit you like other ice creams, but once you like.
Yeah, keep eating it, then you like it. What are they? You tasted all these, kya? Oh, dude. This guy is my hero.
This is.
Obviously, I won't. Obviously, I know what to add and what not. And this will definitely not go. Just thank yourself that Shashank was not here. You are disgusting. You should never be a vlogger.
Damn, mom.
Listen, my subscribers will go in negative, yaar. Stop it.
Your mama is going to be happy.
Fuck off. Eat that and give me also. So, quick little shoot has been wrapped. I just rammed my door into somebody's gaadi. Okay, so quick little shoot has been done. Like I said, kuch reels or static posts hi lene the, so it got over this quick. Varna it takes very long to usually shoot, and this was again a self shoot, so it didn't take very long. Now I'm just going to go home and start editing Ladakh series का third episode, जो अब तक तो आपने देख लिया होगा, but this I'm shooting this episode, this vlog much earlier due to some other commitments I have coming up, so I have just pre-planned stuff. So आपने जो लद्दाख का तीसरा एपिसोड देख लिया होगा, वो मैं आज जाके अब जाके एडिट स्टार्ट करने वाली हूँ. सो या इट्स अ वर्किंग मंडे. यू नो इट्स क्रेजी. आज सबको छुट्टी, आज पटेती है आई गेस, तो सबको छुट्टी है, बट आई हैव अ वर्किंग मंडे बिकॉज हमारे काम में कभी छुट्टियाँ नहीं होती है. तो या देर चलो cool. So I shall see you guys in some time if we have some interesting updates to share. Shan, did you have fun eating ice creams though for lunch? Ow. Can you stop doing that? He always teases me by doing that because that used to be like my signature move when I was at Curly Tails. After like trying any dish ya kuch bhi, I used to do this, and then it got picked up by like everybody. So yeah, but anyway, I shall see you guys in some time.